Welcome to Speak English with MRD. Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Speak English with MRD. I'm really happy that you decided to spend a few minutes with me today. Whether you're listening in the morning, during your lunch break, while traveling, or before going to bed, thank you for making English a part of your day. Today, we have a very special episode, and I believe it can change not only the way you learn English, but also the way you think about your life. The title of today's story is, You Want Success, but You Are Lazy? A story that will wake you up. This is not just an English lesson. It is not just a listening practice. It is a story about dreams. It is a story about discipline. It is a story about the small choices we make every single day. And maybe this story is about you. Before we begin, I want to ask you a few simple questions. Do you have a dream? Maybe you want to speak English fluently. Maybe you want a better job. Maybe you want to study in another country. Maybe you want to travel the world. Or maybe you simply want to become a better version of yourself. Now ask yourself another question. What are you doing today to make that dream come true? Sometimes we say we want success. We say we want to change. We say we want to become confident. But when it is time to work, we become tired. We say, I'll start tomorrow. I don't have enough time. I'm not ready yet. Maybe next week. Day after day. Week after week. Month after month. Nothing changes. Does this sound familiar? If your answer is yes, don't worry. You are not alone. Millions of people have big dreams, but only a small number of people are willing to take small actions every single day. The difference between successful people and unsuccessful people is often not talent. It is not intelligence. It is not luck. Very often, it is consistency. It is discipline. It is the decision to keep going, even when you don't feel like it. And today's story is going to teach us exactly that. But before we begin the story, let's also remember why you're here. You're here to improve your English, and stories are one of the best ways to learn a language. When you learn through stories, you don't just memorize vocabulary. You understand words in real situations. You hear natural sentence patterns. You improve your listening skills. You learn grammar without even thinking about grammar. And most importantly, you enjoy learning. That is why this podcast is different. We learn English naturally. We don't rush. We don't memorize hundreds of difficult words. We learn one sentence at a time, one story at a time, one day at a time. So while you're listening today, don't worry if you don't understand every single word. That is completely normal. Even if you understand only 70%, that is enough. Just keep listening. Your brain is learning. Your ears are becoming familiar with English. Every minute you listen, you become a little better. Every sentence you hear, your confidence grows. Learning English is not about being perfect. It is about making progress, small progress, every day. Now, I have another question for you. How many times have you started learning English? Maybe once, maybe twice, maybe 5 times, maybe even 10 times. Many people start with excitement. They buy books. They download apps. They watch videos. They create a big study plan. Then, after 1 week, they stop. After 1 month, everything is forgotten. Why? Because motivation disappears. Motivation is wonderful, but motivation does not last forever. Habits do. Discipline does. Consistency does. The same lesson applies to every area of life. Whether you want better English, better health, more money, or greater success, the secret is almost always the same: small actions, repeated every day. Today's story will remind us of this simple truth. It will show us that laziness is not always about sleeping too much. Sometimes laziness is choosing comfort instead of growth. Sometimes laziness is watching one more video instead of practicing English. Sometimes laziness is saying, "I'll do it tomorrow." But tomorrow becomes next week. Next week becomes next month. And suddenly, another year has passed. Imagine yourself 1 year from today. There are 2 possible futures. In the first future, you keep waiting. You keep delaying. You keep making excuses. Your English stays the same. Your dreams stay the same. Nothing changes. Now imagine the second future. You practice English for just 15 minutes every day. You listen to podcasts. You repeat sentences. You learn patiently. 1 year later, you understand conversations. You speak with confidence. You are proud of yourself. Which future do you want? The choice begins today. Not tomorrow, not next Monday. Today. That is why I want you to listen carefully to today's story. It may be simple, but sometimes simple lessons create the biggest changes. As you listen, pay attention to the message. Pay attention to the vocabulary. Pay attention to the sentence patterns. Try to imagine every scene in your mind. If you hear a useful sentence, repeat it after me. If you learn a new word, try to use it later today. Learning becomes powerful when you use English, not just hear it. And remember, making mistakes is part of learning. Don't be afraid of mistakes. Be afraid of never trying. Every successful English speaker was once a beginner. Every confident speaker once struggled with simple sentences. The only difference is they didn't quit. So I want you to make one promise before we begin today's story. Say this with me. I will keep learning. Again, I will practice every day. One more time. I will never give up on my dreams. Excellent. That's the attitude of a successful learner. Now sit back, relax, open your mind, listen carefully, and let today's story inspire both your English and your life. This is Speak English with MRD, where every story helps you improve your English, build your confidence, and become a better version of yourself. Are you ready? Let's begin today's inspiring story. You want success, but you are lazy? A story that will wake you up. U.S. men pointing.